Hi there and welcome to 2 Minute Watches. Today I'm showing you the Mondaine Swiss watch, something very iconic design as the kind of lollipop second hand and the kind of bold typeface, directly comparable to the ones that you have in the Swiss railway stations, and actually something I saw recently in London in Leicester Square, so something that is quite recognisable. And you can see why it's so popular. That kind of bold indices, very kind of clean design, easy to read, very legible. This is a Quartz movement. This goes for about £199. You can go automatic for I think about 500 to 600, and also the stop to go version, which is quite interesting because the whole minute hand goes with the second hand on the hour, as is with the actual clocks themselves. This is 36 millimeters, but you can go to 40 for those with bigger wrist sizes. The difference between this one, and I didn't know there was a difference between this classic one and the Evo version, a slightly newer one, is that the newer one will have a slightly rounder case size, so you can see it's quite a straight case size on the side, and the new one has more rounded edges, which makes it give a more modern, classic look. And also the indices are printed, but the ones on Evo 2, I believe, kind of are more applied, and the logo is a bit bigger and more prominent on the new one. So this is probably more faithful, a reproduction of the clock face, with other ones probably more wearable on the wrist. And I think that is reflective. I think even my own girlfriend said this looks a bit like a kid's watch. I can see why. It's kind of quite kiddie looking. I think for those who might have a more edgy clothing taste, where you wear plain block colours, it might work, but otherwise it does seem a bit like a kid's toy, especially perhaps a classic version which has the printed indices. I've yet to see the kind of the newer Evo one in the metal, but I think if I had this on as a clock in my flat, I think that would be something that I'd really like. I think on the wrist, I think you want to see it in a metal before trying it, but it's such a recognisable piece, an iconic piece. I think worth looking at it if you have an opportunity to, if possible.